about 2 months, and I don't know if you can notice here in the bottle. This is how much I have. Let me check. This is how much I've been using. Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. My name is Gerardo and I live here. Today I bring you my final review on the Creme of Nature Moisture Recovery Living Curl Milk. So let's get into it. So as you can see, my hair is freshly washed. I detangled in the shower with my conditioner. But now I'm just gonna prep my hair for the styling today with the Moisture Recovery Living Curl Milk from Creme of Nature. I have been using this for about 2 months, and I don't know if you can notice here in the bottle. This is how much I have. Let me check. This is how much I've been using of the bottle in 2 months, approximately. Well, yeah, sometimes I haven't used these because I wanted to just do my hair with just gel, but most of the times I've been using this, and my experience with it has been very positive. My hair instantly accepts this. Let me just wet my hair. So I like adding a little bit of water just to prep my hair before I apply any products, including leaving, because in between the shower and getting out and doing my hair, it just starts to dry, and I use a microfiber towel like this one. This is a turban, and it absorbs a lot of water. Anyway, going back to leaving my hair, love it. Let me show you how the consistency for you. So I'm gonna do some close-ups of the product for you to see. And what I do is I put it all over my hair. I think I've been using more because of how long my hair is. But you don't really need a lot. You just have to go with the feel in general with most of your products. I know that you can test out how much you need by not squeezing too much, but just, holding your hair like this. That's how much product you should need. But it also depends on how long your hair is and how thick. You just have to test it out. Sometimes I put a lot more, and I've noticed that I use a lot more. So usually I do 2 of these. And you can see it's very slippery. The first time I put it on, you can go and see it on here on my channel because I made a first impressions of this. But this one is for moisturizing, for instantly moisturizing with exotic shine. It softens and detangles and defines pores and control frames. I have to say that it has sort of done those things. I think in my case, it doesn't have the same power of controlling freeze as the company wanted it to have, but my curls have been more defined, even though they have lost their shape. I don't know if that explains anything. You know that usually when you're in your 3rd day or your 4th day out of your wash day, the curl starts to fall down and separate, and I don't know. Since I've been using this, my hair has been consistently soft and still with some shaping. I don't know. It's also probably because of the products I pair it with. I'm pairing it with a hydrating styling cream from Viola. And lately also I've been using my homemade flaxseed gel, which this ones I put clove in it just for the scent. And it's nice. And all of these products, they are humectants, are very conditioning and very moisturizing. So it has kept my hair from a very dry state to very soft and moisturized. So I really like this leave-in paired up with other moisturizing products. I'm just saying this because if you are in need of some moisture in your hair, some uh, conditioning, uh, I think this one is lightweight. It's lightweight enough for to condition the hair without making it weighed down like a cream and my hair really likes it. I don't know. I feel like my hair instantly just sucking all the leave-in. And when it comes to the tangling, it has a very good slip. It's not as slippery as a cream, but it has some good slip into it. Bear in mind, my hair is not super detangled, but you see, it comes detangled from the shower. But you see that my detangling brush, goes very smoothly on the hair. And you know that usually what I do is I just detangle everything and I just style like that. But yeah, I always go and do a little research. And let's talk about the ingredients of this leave-in, because believe me, I'm curious because I saw this on the store, and I was like, well, we'll just give it a try, just see what happens. And I was surprised. So I wanted to see what ingredients were in this specifically, and figure out what was working for right now. So let's just go to that and my classification of the ingredients, what's good, bad, and what's okay. And I'll be back with my hair all done.
As you know, I check the ingredients on curlspot.com to see if the ingredients are safe to use on my hair. After that, I check some of the ingredients that jump onto my eyes. Let's be honest, it's hard to remember all these long names. I'm using the INSEE Decoder website and the dictionary from tightlycurly.com. All the links you will find in the description box if you want to check the resources yourself for any ingredient you are curious about. So this is my classification. Pause if you want to check it out, but I can mention a few ingredients. All the good ones are completely safe, oils and preservatives, but a few I would like to clarify. One of them is the silicones detected on the curlspot.com website. It's phenyltrimeticone. It's in the OK spot because it's an emollient silicone, it's anti-foaming and hair and conditioning ingredient. It increases the slip of products and it provides more sheen than other silicones, provides softness, and it makes the manageability of hair much better. It is also used as a water repellent additive. The next one is the caprylyl carbonate. It's another one I look and wonder what it was, and basically it's an emollient, almost an odorless oil, clear and colorless, that spread nicely and gives a velvet dry skin feel. So I put it in the OK column because it's just another conditioning and emollient ingredient. The other one is dimethyl chloride. Is an antistatic, emulsifying and surfactant agent, is conditioning and keeps the products from separating. On its own, does a good job conditioning, but is often paired with other conditioners like cetyl alcohol, like in this leave-in, to make it thicker and opaque, which It's also why I put it in the OK. The next one is isopropyl alcohol, which is also known as rubbing alcohol. Is an antibacterial ingredient, solvent, antifoaming, and viscosity controlling by reducing the thickness of liquids and creams. It is a drying alcohol, so I put it in the back column. We should definitely avoid this one, but because it is very low in the ingredient list, I don't know if you notice, I'm assuming it's being used in safe amounts, but I cannot let it slide, and it would be better without this ingredient.
So these are the final results. Let me show you the curls in the back. You can see that they're very defined. And bring it forward, show you an up close. They're super defined, almost no frills, and they're very bouncy. My hair feels super soft. Um, I think that it gives to the hair. It's very lightweight, and and I really like this. I think you can see now more clearly where in the bottle going to how long I've been using this. But I think all of the oils that are in the ingredients have been very good on my hair. Because what I wanted was to condition and moisturize. These have really worked. Um, so if you're looking for something that really moisturizes your hair, Creme of Nature is a good one in that. So far, I'm very happy with the products. Um, it really leaves the hair being very soft. Keep in mind that I've been using the Biolan hydrating styling cream and my flaxseed gel. So both of those ingredients also give a lot of moisture into my hair. But yeah, I'll definitely recommend that for you to get a few things before I go. You know that I don't like that in Disney like parfum or fragrance. And even though this one the fragrance it's very high in this, it hasn't given me any issues. The hair actually smells really good, and it's not an overpowering smell. It's very fragrant when you're applying and you're done. Your hair is dry. You barely notice your hair just smells fresh and clean. And or maybe it just means that I'm used to the scent because it's a sweet scent, but it's not overpowering. It doesn't give me allergies. It doesn't give me any contact allergies because it also has red artificial coloring and yellow artificial coloring. So I don't really like artificial colors in my products, but because I try to avoid anything that may just cause some irritation and cause any allergies. So, but it hasn't given me any allergy at all. No sneezes, no anything. You know how some products are very fragrant as these components in them. They just can trigger your allergies. And this one in particular hasn't triggered any allergy and no buildup whatsoever. I can just go with my days until my next wash day. And my scalp it's slightly itchy by the time I have to wash again my hair, but that's pretty normal. There's no added buildup to the scalp. So I really like it. Again, this is not sponsored. I bought this for myself. Yeah, I definitely recommend this. And I can have my hands on another one while testing other products, so yeah, definitely get this one again. If I feel like my hair needs more moisture than it's been getting, because sometimes we, doing this and testing different products, hair suffers, and I like to keep my hair healthy. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video and you want to see more of my content, please consider subscribing and giving it a thumbs up. Remember, you can follow me all across social media at Panacurls, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Bye!